Today we're going to take a look at how to install the Go Global client. First, we'll just go to our web browser here and we want to type in the address to download the link. And this is the address right here. I'll have a link for this in the description, which you can just click on and it'll take you right there as well. But that's it on screen if you want to type it in yourself. Then we have the different client options. 99% of the time, you're going to want to choose this Windows client unless if you're using a Mac computer, in which case you'll take this one. So basically, if you're a Mac on this, if you're on Windows, then just take Windows client. Then we have two options here, install for all users or install only for the current user. Either one will work. You can use this to download for all. But depending on your security settings, you may get blocked by an error. If you do get some kind of error while trying to use this option, then you can use the install only for current and it will allow you to proceed. 99% of the time this install for all works just fine. So we're going to take this one. And then we are going to have our little downloaded file here and we're going to select to run it. And it is going to install the Go Global. All right, and then we're just going to go through this wizard and we're going to take all the default options. So we're going to go next, and then we're going to finish, and then we are done, almost. There's one more step. Next, we're going to go down here to the Windows icon, and we're going to look under G for Go Global. You should see it around here. And we're going to go to Graphon Go Global and then Go Global here. And then when you first have this set up, this host address is going to be empty. And here you're going to just type in your host address, which is going to be cloud, which is going to be this here, cloud2.advancedtracker.com. Then you also have this option here to create a desktop shortcut, which will then make a shortcut right to this address. And then when you connect, it's going to prompt for your login, and you will then be able to log in to your Go Global.